beautiful people. So tonight's dinner is called vegan chipper chicken. Vegan chipper chicken. Wow, that was a tongue twister. Okay, so this beautiful little dish right here has been in my family for decades. It's an absolutely wonderful meal to have, and I want you to give this a shot and put down in the comments what you think about this meal, because I know that my family loves it. And what's really funny is people will eat this and not even know it's not really chicken. That's how amazing it is. Okay, so let's take this puppy out, and I'm gonna real quick tell you how to make this on a real busy night when you just got home from work and you are exhausted and you want a quick meal. Okay, darlings, so you're gonna take Lay's potato chips, take half a bag, put it in a bowl about this size, and crunch that half a bag up. Crunch, 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 okay? So they're really tiny pieces. Just do it with your hands. Then you're gonna take a little bit of garlic salt, organic of course. You're gonna pour it over the chips, and you're gonna just mix it up with your hands, all right? You're gonna set that aside. Then you're gonna take a vegan plant butter such as Flora Plant Butter. This is a really good brand, guys. If you haven't tried it, please give it a try. Flora Plant Butter. I'm not being paid to endorse any of these products. They're just personally the ones that I love. Melt a whole bar of this in a bowl, okay? And set that aside. And then you're going to take the Gardein Meatless Chick'n Strips, always vegan, always dairy-free. Of course, these are so good. Guys, these are amazing. They look like this. They're wonderful, okay? So you're gonna put these, I usually put them out on a plate. And last but not least, your Tofutti, milk-free, better than sour cream that tastes very similar to sour cream. And once you make your food, it tastes just like sour cream. Okay, so these are the items. Now, in order, you're going to place your chicken, you're gonna place your sour cream, you're going to place your chips, and then you're going to place your butter. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these little chicken strips, you're going to put it in a bowl that has, get this, put it in a bowl, sour cream, add garlic salt, add onion powder, and add paprika. Mix it all together, okay? Take your chicken strips, drop it into the sour cream, mix it all up, and then you're going to drop them into your bowl of Lay's potato chips, okay? And you mix them up so that they're completely covered in Lay's potato chips, all right? Then you're going to put all of them in the bowl like I did here. See how I laid all these strips nicely covered with Lay's potato chips in this container. And then you take your melted Flora Plant Butter and you put it all over the top of it, okay? That's it, guys. Super simple. You take this, you pop it into your oven on 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Don't cover it. And what I do for like the last 2 minutes, I put my oven on broil, and I broil it for just a couple of minutes so it gives it that beautiful little baked glow, okay? And then I have this beautiful, wonderful dinner. And then what we serve it with is some nice white rice, and we have some beautiful mild salsa because I can't handle anything spicy. But for you people who love spice, get the spicier stuff. So you're gonna take these, put them on your plate, dip them in some mild salsa. Also goes really good with barbecue sauce, and there are some amazing vegan barbecue sauces out there that you might really like. A little bit of sauce, rice, add it all together, eat it all up, add a little salad on the side. Oh, guys, I am telling you, you're gonna be in heaven. How long did this take? 20 minutes, plus maybe about 5 minutes to lay everything out to just put it in the oven, okay? So, chipper chicken, vegan chipper chicken. It's our family old recipe that has gone back generations in our family. All right, guys, have a beautiful day. Please leave comments below so I know what you thought of this dish once you've made it. Have a great day.